So this is just another way to look at slope. Look at that, you've done 4 things on slope already, or 3 things on slope already. Who knew you could talk so much about slope?
I didn't know.
Just a couple lines.
Okay. Slope can also be interpreted as a set of directions for how to draw a line on a graph. Okay? So let's say I want you to draw a line on a graph that has the slope, negative 3 over 4, and has this point on it, negative 3, 2. So we need to somehow use this point and its slope, or the line's slope, to figure out what the line looks like. So let's do this. The first thing we do is we plot that point on the graph, negative 3, 2. Let's go ahead and do that. Negative 3, 2 is there. And I know that there's a line running through that dot that has a slope of negative 3 over 4. Here's how to use the slope as a set of directions for how to draw that line. Okay? The rise tells us how far to go vertically. Okay? We go up if it's positive, or down if it's negative. You with me? So in this case, we would go 3 down. Okay?
4 over.
And then the run tells us how far to the right or left to go. We go right if it's positive, left if it's negative. Alright? So let's use these as directions. This says 3 up, 4 right. Sorry, 3 down. Oh, that's negative 3. 3 down, 4 right. Okay, let's try that. I go 3 down, so that's 1, 2, 3, and then 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I plot a new point. Okay? Then I do it again. 3 down, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plot a new point. With me? Going back to my starting point, if I wanted to go in this direction, what would I do?
4 to the left and 3 up.
4 to the left and 3 up. Okay. Just kind of reverse my pattern, right? 4 to the left, 3 up. In that case, we've kind of reversed our directions here. You said 4 to the left and 3 up, but our directions were 3 down and 4 right. Yeah, we went 3 up and 4 left. Why does that still make sense?
Going up.
Because it's going up.
Different direction.
So you're going in a different direction.
Oh, because it's just mirrored.
Maybe let me ask you this other question. How did I know that 3 was negative and not 4?
Because it's on top.
Because on your papers it looks like this. The negative is like right there. How do you know whether the 3 is negative or the 4 is negative?
How do we know? Is it always top one?
The answer is it doesn't matter.
No.
They both can't be negative, but you could choose which one you want to be negative.
Whoa.
Think about it. Negative 3 divided by positive 4. What does that give you as a decimal? Come on, that's an easy decimal. Negative 0.75. That's with the negative up here. Negative 3 divided by positive 4. What if I brought it down here? Positive 3 divided by negative 4. Does anything change? Same thing, right? So if I bring the negative up there, then these are my directions. 3 down, because the 3 is negative. 4 right, because the 4 is positive. But if I bring the negative down here, then these are my directions. 3 up, because the 3 is positive. 4 left, because the 4 is negative. Yet I'm still on the same line, no matter what I do. Right? Because this portion here was 4 left, 3 up. Get the idea? Okay, and then we can draw a line through all those dots.
So when it says they want it through, that means they...
So can you see how a slope gives you a set of directions?
Yeah.
Can you tell me the directions that this slope communicates? 7 over 8. What would that mean?
7 up, 8 right.
7 up, 8 right. Okay. What about negative 1/2?
1 down,
1 down,
2 to the right.
2 right. What's another way of writing it though? 1 up, 2 left. Either of those will work. How about this?
Undefined. Oh no.
It's flat. So 0 up, and however far you need to go to the right or left to get to your next dot. Or you could just draw a flat line at whatever dot you're going through. What about this?
6 down.
6 down.
But
Oh,
see,
-6 right.
No.
you'd have to put this.
What's the run?
1 right.
Why 1?
Because anything with any fraction, it's going to be 1 on the bottom.
Any
That's
number.
there.
Yeah, you can put it over 1, and it doesn't change it. Right? So this would be 1 to the right. Or you could go 6 up, 1 left. Right?